Hey there, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do free vibe coding using VS Code. So I'm going to show you all the process here step by step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first show you how you can actually get VS Code in your PC. Currently, I'm using Mac OS. You can see. So if you want to use Mac OS or maybe you have different. So if you have different operating system, like if you are from Windows, the instruction process is really simple. Just go to the browser and type VS Code. Go to the code.visualstudio.com and download this. Now, if you're from Windows, you can click here download, but by default there will be Windows option, but it's okay. If you click here download in the right top corner, you will get here all the three operating system, you can see, and go with it. You just have to install this and you will get here something like this, VS Code, and this is the interface. And if you don't want to see this welcome page at the very beginning, you can uncheck it. Show welcome page on startup, you can uncheck it, but I will keep it. Now I will go for the extension section here, and for this we're going to now go for opencode AI. So I will actually go for the terminal, not for the extension. So here you can see I have terminal and then new terminal. If you want to get the shortcut key, and that is Control plus Shift plus backtick key. Control plus Shift plus backtick key. Then you will get here terminal. So where you will find backtick key under ESC button from your keyboard. Okay, under ESC button, and if you go for the number key, on the top of your other keys like A, S, D, F, G, Q, W, E, R, T. So on above these keys you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? And at the very beginning under the ESC button you will get here curve, something like curve, right? So this is called backtick key. So I will add the text in the video when I will actually edit this, so that you can understand what is backtick key. So what you have to do, Control plus Shift plus backtick key, and then you will get this terminal here. Now what you have to do, you have to say here npm, then space I space -g space opencode -ai. That's it. Now if you hit enter, then it will actually start installing. Okay, npm. I am using here VS Code terminal. In your case, if you want it to install for the Windows, you can actually go for the command prompt. Okay, cmd, and then you can install this. Okay, so I already have this. When you will hit enter, then it will install, and after the installation, if you say opencode -version, then you can get the version, and if you get the version, it means you have successfully installed this. Now let's delete this terminal or kill this terminal, and then go to the file explorer section, open a folder. Let's say I want to create a folder in the documents. Let's create a new folder. I will say let's say a portfolio site. Okay, portfolio -site let's say opencode, and I will add it here, and I will make a portfolio site. Okay, so I will now open terminal once again, and now here you can see my terminal terminal in a specific folder, and that is portfolio site opencode, right? This specific folder. Now here I want to open opencode, so I'll say opencode and hit enter. Then opencode will be open here. You can see opencode interface. Now we are going to go for the opencode what can I say, prompt. Okay, here if you give random value about your project, like what kind of project you want, what are the features, this is not the professional way, and AI cannot actually understand it. If you want a fully functional prompt, you can go to the chatgpt.com. I will recommend you to go with ChatGPT. Maybe you can go with Gemini also, or any other like DeepSeek or any other chatbot. I'll go with ChatGPT, and here I will ask for a prompt. I need a cat portfolio site. Okay, portfolio site using HTML and CSS only. Give me a prompt so that I can generate through opencode AI. Use let's say orange and say blue color combination. I'll hit enter, and it will actually give me a professional prompt. Here you can see. Now if you give here more information, it will take all the information and give you a professional prompt. So you can go through the prompt, and then if you think you need to change anything, you can mention here and regenerate the prompt. Okay, I already I mean, this is for the tutorial purpose, so I'm not going to actually bother here so much. So I'll copy this and go back here in the terminal, and I'll paste it. So to paste it, you can actually paste it through your mouse if you're from Windows. So what you have to do, you have to actually press Ctrl plus V. Okay, if you're from Linux, Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste it. If you're from Mac, you have to press Command plus V. All right, now hit enter, and it will actually generate the whole project for you. Alright guys, so I had some issue in the terminal. I mean, the issue was internet connection error. So I have actually generated this project. You can see, so you can actually generate this project through free AI, opencode AI. Okay, completely free. You can see cat portfolio site, and it's working fully. Okay, there is animation also, and all the things you can see properly. So that's it guys. I hope you understand how you can actually use opencode for free vibe coding. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.